Hey guys, today we're going to look at replacing the side indicator lights on my Mazda MX5 Mark III.
So these are the side indicator lights, and I'm going to go fit on these. So this is what they come like. They've got this strange, you can see that, strange connection there. Now, I've seen a few YouTube videos where people have tried to plug this, tried to remove the entire side indicator unit, the entirety, including the bulb, and then plug this into where the bulb holder goes. I don't think that's right. I think this plugs into where the actual bulb goes, i.e. into the bulb holder. So we're going to have a go at fixing these. There's two, obviously. This is how they come. You can see that. There's nothing much else in the box. I'll put a link in the description, made in China. There you go. I'll put a link in the description. You can see what they look like on. Let's have a go at seeing if we can fix them to the Mazda.
So to remove the light unit is pretty simple. You need a small blade. I'm using a spatula, but any flat bladed tool will work. And on the right side of the light is a small gap where you need to slide the blade in and use it to depress the retainer clip. Once that's done, you can wiggle the lamp unit out. Next, I unclipped the power cable, which isn't strictly necessary, but I did it to help show the next step in the installation.
Okay, well, this is the old one taken out, and you can see the retainer clip there on the side. This grey bit is the bit that holds the bulb holder in, and that, I'll get it lined up properly, that is where the cable goes in. Now, if we compare that to the new one, the other thing to note on this is there's no sort of rubber seal around here. It's just plastic, really. Whereas this one, the new one, does have a little sort of foam rubber input. Now, okay, so a lot of people make a mistake when they're replacing these side indicators, and they actually try to plug this plug into the cable that goes into there. What you actually have to do is remove the bulb holder, pull the bulb out. That's the old one, this is the new one. Then this bit plugs directly into there, and that should go directly into there. And now that's ready to go and fit in the car. So we're going to do that next.
Okay, so reinstalling the lamp unit is fairly straightforward. It's just a reverse of what we did to put it back in. You just push it in and away you go. Dead easy. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you all in the next one, and drive safe.